Safety has been part of Volvo's DNA, part of our culture since the very beginning. How can this be safer for our drivers and the communities in which they operate? One of the innovations that's unique for Volvo and for the industry is that we have a heads-up warning for forward collision alerts. What this does is alert the driver in a very visible way. Studies have shown that when you can give drivers even just one additional second of forward warning, you can prevent the risk of forward collisions by more than 90%. If you take a look at rollovers and front-end collision, that's about 2/3 of all commercial vehicle accidents. We have two safety technologies, Volvo Enhanced Stability Technology and Volvo Active Driver Assist, that mitigate that 2/3. At the end of the day, it's about getting home safely to your family.